A capital city in ruins and on the brink of an epidemic. That's the picture being painted of Spanish Town this evening after Hurricane Melissa worsened roads, garbage collection and drains following the hurricane. Krista Campbell has that story from residents and the St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce.
Mud and mayhem in the old capital of Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Long before Hurricane Melissa drenched the island and dumped debris onto roadways, residents say the town has been in a bad state. But since the hurricane passed, they say the roads are deteriorating further. Drains have been blocked with plastic, and commute and businesses are badly affected.
If you look at Young Street full of potholes. Nothing has been done. The Spark program has come and probably gone. And the entire Spanish Town is still in disrepair.
Dennis Robotham is president of the St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce, which represents the business community. He says shoppers are afraid to go into some areas because of the state of the roads, and businesses are losing as a result. He described a pending epidemic in some places to include Morrison Street and Burke Road, where vending takes place.
The pigs around there, the feces that are in the water there, mosquitoes, and there's a garbage that is being thrown there on the top of Morrison Street. That is also contributing to the whole health hazard.
But not for a lack of trying. He notes the authorities need to do more.
The NSWMA is trying, but it needs to be upgraded and moved to another level for collection of garbage in the town, because it is also contributing. Every gutter, if you look in there, it is horrible.
And even worse when it rains, as he notes the roads are impassable. Schools are badly impacted.
Last week, there was an inspection for God's Little Angels Academy, and the principal herself and some teachers and some parents had to go down there and kind of get gravel and stand on them something and put into the road so that cars could pass through to come.
William Street, all of those, Brunswick Avenue. If these roads are impassable because of being fixed, it creates a congestion. And if the church, Philippo Baptist, has a funeral per se, that creates even more.
He says this happens even despite the police's best efforts at traffic control.
The top of Cumberland Road is being repaired from possibly about March, April. And to date, almost 7, 8, 9 months, we're going almost, if next year catches it, it will be almost a year since that road has been dug up. Work has started on the drainage and the gutters, but it's intermittently being worked on. Why is it taking so long?
Now, the National Works Agency says at least $1 billion has been approved for an extensive program to fix roads which were badly damaged during Hurricane Melissa. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.